Most people suffer from some type of unwanted skin darkening caused by a range of reasons, such as chafing, sun exposure, freckles, scars, acne, skin irritations, pigmentation, skin allergies, rashes, contact spots, genetics, etc. Today's video will discuss about how to use baking soda for whitening skin. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. 1. Baking soda with water. The fine particles in baking soda removes the dead skin cells to give an even skin tone. Process. 1. Mix baking soda and water in a 2:1 ratio. 2. Apply this paste on the affected skin. 3. Massage gently in circular motion, then leave on for a few minutes. 4. Wash off with lukewarm then cold water and dry the skin. 5. Only apply 3-4 times a week. Note: rose water or buttermilk or almond milk can be used instead of normal water. You can add 1 drop of any essential oil for a relaxing effect. 2. Baking soda with honey. Honey helps to fight against bacteria, tightens the skin pores, protects skin from sun damage, and moisturizes the skin. Baking soda exfoliates the skin to reduce redness caused by breakouts and thus boosts proper circulation. Process. 1. Mix baking soda and honey in 1:2 ratio to make fine paste. 2. Apply this on the affected skin. 3. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wash off with water. 3. Baking soda with oat flour. Oatmeal and baking soda have a grainy texture that exfoliates the skin to remove the dead skin cells and activates the cells to lighten it. Process. 1. Stir 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and water and add 2 tablespoons of oat flour. 2. Apply on the affected skin. 3. Scrub it gently and leave it on for 2-3 minutes before washing off. 4. Baking soda detox bath. It helps the body to eliminate the toxins and provides all the essential nutrients. 1. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt and 1-2 cups of baking soda in your bath and stir well. 2. Soak yourself for about 30 minutes and wash your skin with normal water. 3. You can also add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 4. Or add 1 ounce of baking soda in your bathtub and soak yourself in it for about 10-15 minutes. 5. Repeat regularly. Have you ever tried baking soda for whitening skin? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.